Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Job number 56. Job role will be multiple positions like recruitment process, freelancing work, chart process, voice process, team management. So company from work internship, location will be work from home, any degree will be applicable and salary will be 15 to 30k and we have given Priyanka HR number, so you can directly contact to her and get the job details. Okay friends, moving to next job number 57. So in this also you will get multiple positions like HR, recruiter, copy paste work, backend, chart process, team management, SMO. So company, IT company, work from home location, this also. So 150 plus vacancies are available. So salary will be 3 to 18 lakh per annum. So you can kindly contact to Vivek Mishra. So moving to next job number 58. So in job number 58 you can able to see the HR recruitment, HR executive and HR internal and telecalling roles. So company will be IT company, outsourcing jobs. These are location will be work from home location. Requirement, minimum requirement, they are expecting graduate. So 3 to 18 lakh per annum salary they will be offering. So you can directly contact to the provided contact number. Okay friends, moving to next job number 59. So job role will be sales associates and many other positions are available. So this is for abroad jobs, so Canada, Australia, New Zealand and Netherlands. So any degree people can applicable. So salary will be USD dollar 40 to 90k and we have provided email ID. Okay friends, you can contact them. Moving to next job number 60. Job role will be multiple positions. So company name will be IT company. So permanent work from home opportunity they will be providing. Requirement, any degree can be applicable and salary will be 15 to 25k in hand plus incentive they are offering. So you can directly contact to HR Rupali. Okay, so moving to next job